everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share some craft goodies with you. I was contacted by the lovely Pandahall.com and they asked if I would like to collab with them. So they asked me to choose a few things and they sent them out to me. Really great, quick shipping. I didn't have to wait very long for them to send these things. I haven't actually worked with Pandahall before, so I haven't tried any of their products, so I will do another video sharing different projects that I've made with them and give you my honest opinion on their products. I will say that they have a variety of different things on their website. They've got tools to making, if you're into jewelry making, pretty much anything you could think of to do with jewelry making they have on their website. Jewelry kits. They have things like charms, beads, the tools for like making jewelry and things like that. They have wax seals and the little waxes in different colours. They have the stamps like for the wax seals as well, in a variety of different like images and things. They've got charms on there, beads, stamps, dies. They even have home decor bits on there, so if you want to find like bits for the home, they have that on there. So I'll definitely leave the link to their website down below. Please go and check it out, as well as a discount code as well, so that will be in the description, and I think that is good until February. I'll leave the dates on there as well, so that will be in the description. So I'm going to jump in and show you what I've chosen from their website. They did send me this cute little bag as well. It's just a cute little bag. It's got panda on it, and that's their website. So it's really cute. Image on there, so that's that one. Next I'm going to share is the stamp sets that I chose. I chose two different stamp sets. I thought this one would be really nice for different cards. It's got some really nice floral images here, as well as a bird. I thought they'd be really nice to do like thank you cards, hello cards, obviously happy birthday. Yeah, and obviously as you can see there's quite a lot of different sentiments there as well. Like I said, I've not tried any of these, so I don't know how they're stamped, but I will come back and share those with you. The next one I have is this one. Again, I thought would be really nice for Valentine's. I just thought these would make really nice Valentine's cards and projects. I thought this one actually you could use for Christmas and make him kind of like a Christmas gonk. I thought it was really cute. This one that's like a couple and they've got a flower, like a rose there. This one's got like a bunch of flowers. They're holding like balloons and they say I love you, and you've got like a little bunch of balloons there. Quite a few different sentiments as well. And you also get these little stamps. They're like butterflies, flowers, which I thought was really cute as well. So I'm excited to make some projects with those. The next things I have to share is some dies. I don't have a ruler to hand, but I will come back when I make the projects. I'll come back and share the sizes with you, because obviously they're not put together and that you won't get a proper measurement of the size of the project until I put it all together. There's a lot of different dies in this set. So this is the first set that I chose, and it's got like a coffee theme to it with some like gonks and gnomes and things. So these are like the hats of the different gonks, their beards. So you get a variety of different elements to it. I think these might be their shoes, glasses. And then this one's got all the coffee bits. So you've got the cups, like you could do like marshmallows or coffee beans. This one could be like a tea bag or a little tag. You've got the travel cup there. Yeah, I thought it was really cute. Again, you could do it like Christmassy themed, or yeah, I'm going to come up with some different projects, like I said, and come back and share those with you. So that's that die set. The next one I thought was so cute for Christmas. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I wanted to make some projects with this one. It does say Global Land on there, so they may be partnered with Global Land. I'm not quite sure. I have had some Global Land stamps from Amazon, and they stamp really well. So, I mean, I am excited to try these. So this stamp, die set, it's got Father Christmas. I'm just going to hold this up so you can see it better. So this is like a Santa, and obviously you've got a paper pierce him, you've got his boots, you've got layering pieces like his mittens, these might be like his belt, and that, his beard. So that's going to be fun to put together. And then to go in that set, you've got this one, so you can have him poking out of the chimney. You've got some Christmas trees and presents and things and layering pieces. I thought it was really cute. Or you can have him in a car. So you get quite a lot of dies in this one set, which I thought was really cute. I love the car. I'm excited to try that in a project. I think that would be really cute, having little Santa in the car, and then you could put the like presents in this part. So yeah, so that's that die set. And then the last one, you get quite a few dies in this set, and I just thought again this would be great for giving out gifts and things like that, and different projects. So you get this one, which is a big tag. I just thought that'd be quite nice to put on presents or to send out in Happy Mail. So you get 2 layering pieces. You get this scalloped one, and they're both stitched. Then you get this piece here, and then you get this part to like make a bow. So here you get 1, 2, 3, 4 dies there. Then you get this, and this is all in the same set. Then you get this tag. So you get that tag, and then you get this one, which is like a more square shaped, and again it's stitched. You get a couple of pencils or crowns, you could make those into. You get these like stack of books. You get this apple, so this would be great for like a teacher's gift, or yeah, you can make this into a card for a teacher. Then you get another bow, so you get the elements to make another bow there, so that's really cute. Then you get this one, and this has got a few teacher elements to it. So you've got 1, 2, 3 there, you've got ABC, you've got some paper clips, you've got the word teacher. What does that one say? Oh, it says thank you, so that's really cute. You've got the books there, and then you've got this tag, which you can, it's got like an opening there, and then that circle, and again it's all lovely stitched all the way round. So quite a few dies, yeah, to make different projects and things. So I really like that one. And then the last bit to go with all that is this one. So you can make, this bit I presume gives you a part to make a little pocket to go on the back of these tags, which I thought was a lovely idea. Then you've got some rulers, again keeping in the teacher kind of theme. And then you've got this beautiful scalloped frame, which you could use on cards and other projects. So I thought that was really lovely, that set. Like I said, you get loads of different elements in it. Yeah, I can't wait to actually make something with this set. So those were the dies. And then the last few bits is some beads, because I thought, well, I'll try out their beads and charms. So I got, just going to quickly open this set. So I've got this bead set. I love the colours of these. So they all come in this beautiful like case. All the beads and stuff, like they've come in like nicely packaged. So obviously you can use this again. And look how gorgeous these beads are. So I can't remember what size they are, but like I said, I will leave that in the link down below. Look how gorgeous different colours you get. So you get this like dark blue, you've got this green, you've got like a light pastel blue, yeah, really pretty beads. So I've got those. I'm just going to put those in now. So they're going to be great for different charms and things. So that's that set in now. And then the next set is this one. Again, comes in a lovely tub to keep them all in. And these ones are charms. Again, lovely packaged and everything. So you've got this cute little case, and in here is these little teddy bear charms. So I'll grab a few different colours, but obviously you get a red, orange, yellow, pink, purple, blue, green, and like a baby, like a quite a really light pink there. So I'll just show you a few close up, what they look like. Sorry guys, I'll try and get that in. Yeah, so there we go. I thought they were really cute, and they come with already got the like the loop at the top, so they've got, you know, you can just make them straight into little charms or different projects. And like I said, they had it was so hard to choose. They had so many different charms that you could choose from on their website. And I love that it comes in this little cute box to keep them all safe in now. So yeah, really cute. So that's those. And then the last thing I have to share with you is these beads. And as soon as I saw them and the variety of different colours that they come in, I knew I had to get these. So these are alpha little beads or charms, whatever you want to call them. So you get, as you can see, absolutely loads in a variety of different colours. Yeah, and they've got, like I said, they're plastic, these are, and they've got the little hoops at the top. I just thought they'd be lovely for making bracelets or charms on albums and things. Yeah, really cute. So you get 3 different packs. In this pack is like, I would say, dark kind of colours. So you've got, yeah, I'd say more darker colours like the red and all that. Pinks and oranges and greens. This one is pastels. Really, really pretty. And like I said, you get absolutely loads in now. And then this one is like a pearl. So it's like pastel colours, but they have like a pearl kind of finish to it. I don't know if that's going to pick up on camera though, that's the only thing. I don't know if that's going to show on camera, but it has got like a pearl kind of finish to them, which is really pretty. So yeah, excited to try and make some different projects with all these goodies. As always guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Like I said, discount code in the description down below. Please go and check that out, as well as all the links to everything that I've shared in this video. Please go and check out Pandahall. Like I said, the links to their website will be in the description. As always guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care guys, bye.